Hello guys, welcome to AppGeeker channel. Today let's talk about unlocking disabled iPhone. As we all know, one good thing about owning an iPhone is that you can be sure that your data is very secure, as long as you have a passcode in place. Correspondingly, it will be quite inconvenient if you forget your iPhone passcode. How should we solve this problem? Apple's official solution is to use iTunes, which is a very cumbersome approach. Here I will show you two simple methods to get out of this situation and unlock iPhone 11 without iTunes. The first part is using Find My iPhone feature to unlock iPhone 11. Here we go. Open a browser and visit https://www.icloud.com/find. Log in with your Apple ID and password. Click on the device of yours that is currently disabled. Click Erase iPhone, and then click Erase to confirm. Attention, once your device has been wiped, it will power up as any new iPhone would. Of course, you can restore your data if you use iCloud backup. Now you can see the home screen. Here comes the second method that will use a third-party tool named iPhone Unlocker from AppGeeker, which can help you unlock and reset iPhone without iTunes or passcode. Let's get started. Step 1. Click on the link in the description below to download iPhone Unlocker. Launch iPhone Unlocker. Tap on Wipe Passcode, then click Start button. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer via a USB cable. Follow the instructions from the pop-up window and place iPhone to recovery mode. For iPhone 11, long press the side button and one of the volume buttons until the phone gives you the slider to power down. Drag the slider across the top of the screen and turn it off. Then keep holding the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. Step 3. Confirm the information of your iPhone and the click Start button to proceed. Now the firmware package is downloading. Wait for a moment. Okay, the firmware package has been downloaded. Here pops up a precaution, read it carefully before moving to the next step. 1. Removing the lock screen passcode will erase all your data. 2. Your device will be updated to the latest iOS version. 3. If Find My iPhone is enabled on the device, you need to enter iCloud password to reset the device after unlocking. Got it. Just enter 0000 to confirm unlocking. All done, let's move to the last step. Press the unlock button. Now it starts to reset the device. Wait for a while. Congratulations, you can get the access to your device. Thank you so much for watching. This is how to unlock disabled iPhone 11 without iTunes. If this video helps you out, give us a thumbs up. For more tutorials, you can subscribe us or go to appgeeker.com. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. See you in the next video.